I'm doing a small one today, so I have a mini plate. Take 2 little bowls or cups or whatever you got and put them on opposite ends. This is the meat that I like to use because it's a variety pack, but you use whatever meat that you like. Now take the salami, fold it in half, then fold it in half again until it looks just like that. She calls this a salami river, and honestly, there's probably never been a better term for anything ever. Now you're gonna take a cheese. I chose this one right here. Cut some of it up and put it down on the plate. This is the second cheese that I chose. Cut it up and do the same thing. Time to fill the bowls. I'm gonna toss some olives into the first one like that. The next one I chose is some red pepper hummus. I'm gonna put it in the second bowl just like that. I like to use wheat thins because they stand up on their own, so take a few out, discard the broken ones, and put them on your plate. Using nuts for the cheese plate is a great idea. I'm just gonna kind of take a handful of those and just fill in any large gaps that I see on the cheese plate. These wild blueberries are kind of cool. Never saw those before, so I figured I'd get those and just kind of fill in any little holes on the cheese plate, but really that's mostly for color. And that's it, your cheese plate's done.